Kitalo nnyo nnyini ddala muwala wa Rema Namakulah afudde mu ntiisa kakati amawulire agali mu maka ga Rema Namakulah ne Dr. Hamza mawulire gannaku nnyo mawulire ga ntiisa era nga mazigana miranga ge gabuutikidde mu maka ago oluvannyuma kubeera nga timu naye baafiiriddwa omwana waabwe gw'olengera ku screen yawo amannya ge yabadde amanyikiddwa nga Michelle era nga yafiiridde ku myaka 14 nga bwe nkutegeezezza omwana ono abadde muwala wa Rema Namakulah wabula ekyenjawulo Rema si yamuzaalira ddala si ye biological mother wabula omwana ono abadde mwana wa mukulu wa Rema Namakulah. Rema Namakulah alinayo mukulu we omukyala gw'olengera awo ku screen munaye yabadde azaala omwana ono era nga munaye omwana ono ekirwadde ekyamugye mu bulamu bw'ensi eno yabadde kansa era nga ndowooza atubye n'ekirwadde kya kansa for almost 4 years era nga Rema Namakulah bataddemu buli kika kya ssente bamujjanjabye bamututte in all best hospitals gwe buli ddwaliro ly'omanyi lyonna eryakabi oba erisinga okubeera nga terijjanjaba eriri ku mutindo ogwa waggulu ennyo mu ggwanga lyattu Uganda sakudde bweru actually waliwo ne ka video ke nalabye ndowooza bamutwalako oba ne Kenya eyo bamutwalako ne Kenya okwongera okubeera nga ate omwana bambi bamujjanjaba naye munange Mukama Katonda ebiseera ebisinga munaye yabaasalawo era ne bw'oteekamu ssente zitadde bw'oteekamu ssente zitya nga Mukama yagaa nti kale nayo n'omwana ajja kubeera nga ateekoma wano ekyamazima tewali ky'oyinza kubeera nga ate okolera ssente zo ziyinza obutayamba nnyo kiri awo era nga munnange nabwe kityo omwana teyasobodde kubeera nga ate asimattuka ngenda kubeera nga ate ndowooza nkutirawo bu vidiyo osobole okubeera nga ate oyongera okulaba embeera nga bwe yabadde sayidi ezo yoyo no gw'olengera ku screen era nga Rema Namakulah ye yalumiddwa nnyo kubanga omwana ono abadde tabeera nnyo eri wa maama we nkutegeezezza omwana ono maama we ye mukulu wa Rema Namakulah wabula omwana abadde agendanga ye eri kusoma wabula mu holiday obudde bwe obusinga abadde abumala wa Rema Namakulah nga abeera n'abaana be ba Amalu ba Aliya n'abaana abalala batera okubeera nga ababeera okugamba babadde mu ssanyu ly'amaanyi nga bw'obalengera awo batera ogendako mu shopping basanyuka naye munaye obulamu bwe butyo so byo ne bigenda mu maaso sayidi eze omwana ye yasobodde okubeera nga ate munaye aziikibwa olunaku lwabadde lwa yesterday yasobodde okubeera nga ate aziikibwa so genda kubeera nga ate nkuwongera bu video mu maaso awo olabe embeera nga bwetambula genda wasawo mu comment section wandikawo ka rest in peace abambi Rema Namakulah sako ne mukulu we ne Dr. Hamza mubeere nga ate mubateeka mu ssaala olw'okuviibwako omwana waabwe omuto bwati eno bwe naba nkugyeyo ewa Rema Namakulah ndowooza nkutwaleko newa BMK omugagga nannyini Africana eyafa juuza oba nange ebintu si byangu n'akamu okola ebyobugagga byo wabula the moment nokera ku makya nova mu bulamu bw'ensi eno bwoti embeera etandika okubeera nga ate esajjuka era nga wenjogerera abaana bali mu kubeera nga tebasika omuguwasako n'omu ku bakulu baabwe ekigambe wambu omu ku bakulu bwabwe yavaayo nabeera nga ate abaako ebyobugagga gy'abiteeka oba ebyapa ayina gye yasobola okubeera nga ate abiteeka era nga wenjogerera ssaawa eno bali mu kavuuyo k'amaanyi nyongera kubeera nga ate nkutirawo muwala wa BMK ng'ayongera okubeera nga ate akunnyonnyola ensonga nga bwe ziriwo ssaawa eno naye nkusaba vidiyo eno bambi beera nga ate ojjamu ekyokuyiga likinga ate sharingirako abalala oba oliawo babeere nga ate naye bamanya ki ekiriwo ssaawa eno tugatteko mu butongole subscribing akade aka notification bell kakoneko kajja kubeera nga ateeka ku alert nga buli nabandesa vidiyo nkomawo anamawulire amalama gye tuvaawo.
Who knew this could be fun? Ay, 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 ay. Owange, Angela.
Salamu alaikum bassebo ne bannyabo mbalamusizza nnyo mwebale nnyo okutubeererawo okutuyamba okulongoosa erinnya lya taata waffe omugenzi Haji Ibrahim Muwanga Kibirige amannya gange bampita Shila Muwanga omu ku baana be ekindeese wano kwe kutereeza erinnya lya taata wange eribadde mu mawulire mu midiya ez'enjawulo. Haruna yayagala okutwala contract ne gavumenti era n'abidinga n'afuna contracts ezimu basically zino contract akola emirimu up country ne bazimba amalwaliro ne establishments endala. HRN nga company yali temanyikiddwa kugende wa taata waffe n'agenda n'amusaba amuyambeko okubidinga ku zino contract lwakubanga BMK Uganda Limited yali ekozeko ne government, so it would be much easier for him okufuna gino emirimu. Naye nga taata waffe tannamuyamba yamugamba beere very careful lwakubanga akimanyi mbuno Haruna bites off more than he can chew, atwala emirimu left, right and center gy'atasobola. Also I might say he's a little ambitious. In fact ne taata waffe yali atugamba buli kaseera tulina okubeera careful Haruna gy'ali lwakubanga akukuta on top of biting off more than he can chew. Ebbanga lyayitawo nga amaze okufuna contract zino zonna, everything is working well, bamusasudde Ministry of Health amshi bonna nga bamusasuddeko at least 40% n'atandika okukola. Ebbanga ne liyitawo ba contractor ne bajja nga baagala okukebera emirimu naye nga Haruna akozeko 15% naye nga baali bamusasuddeko in advance 40%. I think along the way byatuuka ne bimulemerera kwegenda n'asaba abantu ssente ba money lenders, banka na biki byonna ne mafia nga mwotadde. Bino ebintu byonna ffenna abooluganda twali tetubimanyi, we just found out later along the way. Tubeerawo nga tutandika okufuna amabaluwa, tutandika okulaba ebintu mu mawulire naffe bye tutategeera, mbuno banka etwala ennyumba yaffe, banka etwala Africana, ebintu bwe biti. But how did this get to happen? Abantu abali babanja Haruna tebakoma ku bank na ba money lenders ne ba supplier. Mwalimu Tata, mwalimu Roofings, mwalimu Uganda Bat, mwalimu Seroma, abantu bangi. Nga kumpi abantu abamubanja batuuka mu 1 billion. Ezo sente nnyingi nnyo ffenna nga tetumanyi kigenda mu maaso. Tutandika okunoonya Haruna teri amanyi gy'ali. Omusika waffe chairman Ali Kibirige Muwanga atandika okubira Haruna amasimu, takwata masimu, tewali amanyi gy'ali. In fact mu beginning twali tutidde nga tumanyi there is something wrong with him. We yakwata essimu nakkiriza okumiitinga ne baganda baffe abamu, yagamba yagala meeting ne babiri bokka. One of them was the chairman, of course. Batula mu meeting nga bamubuuza ki ekibaddewo ng'agamba alina amabanja, ebintu bingi nnyo bibaddewo, mafia bamunoonya, nga tuwunya bamafia be baani. Walaba video y'eggulo ndowooza olaba bamafia be baani, because at this point bamafia be bantu ba buli kanaku be tulaba nga bakirumirwa, ba Andrew Mwenda. Kakati ekintu kya Andrew Mwenda, omukwano gwa Haruna ne Andrew Mwenda naffe it took us by surprise. Gwatandika in 2021 when my dad was very ill, and they became such good friends by 2022 when these things all went down. Andrew Mwenda apparently is a known mafia. I could be wrong, but that's what I know. That's what I hear. Abayongera omubuuza how did all this happen? Nagamba mbuno bamuloga. I know it's very funny. Mbuno abeerawo n'alaba ekinyonyi kya black kijja buli kanaku mu nnyumba ye. Crazy talk. Kijja buli kanaku mu nnyumba ye ne kimugamba ebintu. It makes him sign things he doesn't understand. That's how he ends up signing all these things. How does he acquire all these properties that he fraudulently signed? I'm going to tell you this. All the paperwork and the titles that belong to my father byonna byali bibera mu nyumba yaffe. Taata waffe alina amaka abiri, Naggulu A ne Naggulu B. I'm going to read you something. Unfortunately kino sobola kisoma mu Luganda. I cannot translate in Luganda. I apologize. Bino byali mu ddaame lya taata wange. The houses that have been serving as my main homes, which I refer to as Naggulu A and Naggulu B, are my wives and all my children. No one has the authority to evict or remove my wives from my home. You should take good care of these homes for the dignity of our family, and you should never mortgage them with the banks or any organization or any money lenders. Why is that important? When the banks and the money lenders came, we found out that one of the titles that were given to the bank, particularly Ali Equity Bank, Charlie Chapa che wafene twebuuza Haruna Chapa ya Chijawa. Keep in mind, ebyapa tubitereka waka Naggulu A Haruna gye yakulira, and ge maka omuli mama Muzala Hajat Sophia Muwanga. I'm not giving this information to bash anyone. I'm just giving facts so that you guys can be the judge, as the law has failed us. Keep in mind, bwe byapa byonna ne legal paperwork yenna aterekebwa mu safe. Simanyi safe eno gyeri. Kakati ekibuuzo kiri nti Haruna yafuna atya bino ebipapula byatuka bitya mu mikono gye? That is a big question right now. You're asking and I'm also asking the same question. Tuba tuli awo ne tuzuula mbu ekyapa ky'ewaka kiri mu banka, basingayo ekyapa ky'ewaka. I'm sure byonna mwabiraba mu headlines nga Equity Bank etutwala. Equity Bank yagenda nekola due diligence yayo. Haruna yagenda mu bank n'asaba loan, yatandika ne Yako Bank sijuwulirangako mu bulamu bwange. N'agenda n'awaayo ekyapa ekya Mulama Road e Buziga, kino ekyapa kitudde ku ttaka lya Kabaka. Abayako tebaanoonyerezaako, tebakola research, tebakola just bamuwa ssente buwi nga tebanoonyerezaako eri ettako oba title ntuufu oba biri forged oba yennanyiniyo. They just went ahead ne bamuwa ssente. Waliwo dates zenjagala okuyitamu nga sinaba kwogera ku bye ngenda okwogera. Taata waffe yafa mu September 2021. Title baji transferring amanya ga Haruna ku 7th March 2022 kakati lero wenjogerera last month mu March ku 7th March title baji transferring amanya g'omwami bamuyita Okwaredan Meshach bagamba omwami ono akola on behalf of chairman wa Kwagalana Mr. Chirumira. Waliwo abantu abagamba omwami Chirumira wagula ettaka, of course tayagala bintu bimugoberere, tekawo amanya g'abantu abalala ng'ono omwami Dan Okware, olusi abaana be, Muwala we, batabani be n'abantu abalala. This is what I hear. I could be wrong, but this is what I've heard. Tutegera tutya mbu title bali bagenda gikyusa. Twagenda mu Buganda Land Board ne batugamba mbuno Haruna Yalionga yali yagezaako okukyusa eyo title ne bagaana ogimuwala kubanga lino ettaka lya Buganda Land Board liri mu manya ga taata waffe. We baagaana n'agenda mu I have my notes. We baagaana n'ayita mu Uganda Commissioner for Land Registration n'agenda ne bamukyusiza mu mannya ge. Please note that lino ettaka liri leased mu Buganda Land Board si lyaffe, ttaka lya Kabaka. Wetumanya bino ebintu byonna omusika n'agenda n'agezaako bitereeza baagaana bitereeza ne batwala buli kimu nga balaga mbuno byali done fraudulently, signature zonna ziri fake naye ne bagaana bikyusa. Omukulu wa Uganda Commissions for Land Registration n'agaana bikyusa. Equity Bank nayo wegiramu. Property eyo etudde ku byapa bibiri. Haruna yagenda n'agezaako n'okukyusa ekyapa ky'okubiri n'agenda mu Equity Bank naye ogenda mu Equity Bank ne bagenda ne banoonyereza mu kunoonyereza ne basanga mbuno eryo ettaka lya Kabaka wa Buganda ne signatures nga zaali forged. Kwegenda okukyusa ekyapa ky'ewaka n'akiteeka mu mannya ge mu linnya lya maama we Hajat Sophia Muwanga ne muganda waffe Shadia Muwanga n'akiteekayo mu Equity okubeera collateral. Ne bamusayiningira bulungi n'abiteekayo. Ffe abasigadde twali tetubimanyi, we only found out ng'ennyumba bagikubye mu mawulire. Bino ebintu byonna we baabiteeka mu mawulire we twamanya contract ki Haruna ze yatwala. Mukumanya zino contract twagenda okulaba nga Haruna bamusasulako ahead of time, bamusasula 40%. Ministry of Health yali yamusasulako dda ne basupply abaali bamuwadde ebintu, baali bamuwadde amamotoka na buli kimu. Etusanga nga emirimu gye baali ba expecting okubeera 50%, than even more than 50%, agikozeko 15%. Mujjukire mbuno yali akolera mu mannya ga BMK Uganda Limited. So of course kitukakatako ffe ogenda okukola zino contract obutono na linnya lyaffe lyali likola obulungi. Ate taata waffe yali akoleredde emyaka n'emyaka. He had a good name. We took it into our own hands nga Haruna adduse. Tetumanyi contract yali yaki ne tugenda mu government ne tu appealinga but weyo time tumalirize zino project era ne bazituwa ne tuzimaliriza. Naye mujjukire mbu Haruna yatwala most of the resources. We were literally pulling strings at this point. Kubino ebintu bya loan waliwo abantu abagamba mbuno taata waffe tatwala loan, abalala bagamba mbuno government yamuwa akolera government na biki. But my father was a good man. My father was an honest man. This is something I admired about him. My dad used to take loans. Yali atwala amabanja. In fact, amabanja getumanyi, everyone knows. Every businessman takes a loan. If you want to grow, if you want to improve certain things, you make a risk, you take loans. My father took loans with DFCU and UDB, and those loans were serviced properly. Every Saturday twali tutula mu meeting netumakinga sure mbu tusasula ba supplier, tusasula bank every week without fail. Kakati tutuse mu kifo mbuno tutekinze on loans za Haruna. Of course things are going to be difficult. Loans is affair. These loans ngawe nabagambye ezaba suppliers zili almost 1,800,000,000 and more. Okay? Mulimu eza bank, mulimu eza ba mafia, mulimu eza abani. For some reason ngenda nentula onengamba bamu framing oba tebamu framing. Literally we are breaking this case together. Lwakubanga amateeka tegatwadde bwenkanya. The law has failed us. So please be the judge of this. This is the information I'm leaving you with today. Wembera mwine ebibuuzo byonna bye mulina, we are willing to answer, we are willing to give proof and everything. Byonna mubireke wansi buli kumukutu gonna gwolabirako eno video. Mubireke wansi tugenda baddamu. You know what's crazy about all this? Taata waffe alina emikwano mingi, connections, bakwagalana, abantu from left, right, center, mwenna muliwa. We are fighting on our own. Tewali atuyamba wabula mikwano gibribinga government, gibribinga police, gibribinga buli omu, gisasula. Tambuza ka video government etuyambe. This is something I never talk about. In fact, I'm scared to talk about, but I'm going to use my content creation abilities to seek justice for my late father. Because someone needs to talk about this. Be careful the people you call your friends because they might be waiting for you to die and take your belongings. My father, the late Haji BMK, worked so hard to build his legacy, to make his name, to make connections. And now one of the connections he made, his so-called brother from Kwagalana, the chairman of Kwagalana, not his blood brother, is now working day and night to take what belonged to him. Yet in public, he used to say, oh my gosh, this is my brother. brother, Nana, of course not like that, but that's what he used to say. Please, everyone that used to go for events knows that this used to happen when they were together. But then again, I think my dad knew his friend, because when he passed away in his will, he mentioned that we need to take out all our shares from Kwagalana, which we haven't gotten yet. I'm yet to talk about that. But as you all know, or not know, because the news is now spreading rumors, my brother, aka the prodigal son, made some bad deals, took loans from the mafia, from the bank, and all these people using fraudulent paperwork. And instead of these people going for my brother, they're coming for my dad's legacy, which really hurts me. And it also hurts the rest of my family. I hate to wake up and every day they're like, oh, BMK this, BMK that. He did not do anything wrong. Well, he had his wrongs, but these are particularly my brother's wrongs. And all these people know, but they're still coming for my father's things. I'm sure most Ugandans have seen the news about the Mulamula land, the Buziga apartments that Yako Bank wants to take, because that's what my brother gave there. My brother gave there the titles as, what do they call it? Collateral? When you fail to pay a loan. So he failed to pay a loan and faked paperwork. He gave fraudulent paperwork that we told the judge that this paperwork is fraudulent, and we still lost the case even when they knew the truth. So Yako Bank sold the loan. So I might be a little bit all over the place because this is very emotional for me, but Yako Bank sold the loan to guess who? My father's friend, Chirimira, who is the chairman of Kwagalana Group, who is his so-called brother. And for some reason, everyone is scared of this guy. They're like, oh, did you see how he embarrassed the other person in court? How can you be a smart man? How can this person be your friend and you tell the whole world he's your friend, but you're trying to steal from him? Please tell me how, please. You might want money so much. In fact, what he would be doing is trying to help his friend out, no? He even tried to get my brother arrested this weekend. My siblings on ground are scared for their lives because they're like, what if something happens to them? Because like I said, they tried to get my brother arrested over the weekend. So apparently my brother owed Yako Bank 1 billion, and with interest it came to 1.5 billion. They valued the land at this particular space at 2.5 billion, but apparently it's about 10 billion. I could be wrong. However, they sold it for 1.8 billion, something like this. But this land, this particular space, has 2 land titles. These 2 land titles, my brother managed to fraudulently change one, and the other one is still in its original owners, which right now belongs to us, my siblings and my moms. I'm so tired of hearing my dad's name in the paper, so I'm going to spill all that tea. I do not give. Also, everything I'm saying right now, I have proof, and I'm going to share all the documentation because they've embarrassed my family enough. I cannot watch my father's name being tarnished after the legacy he built. So for this particular land, we have apartments on there. Our tenants have been inconvenienced, that they've been kicked out. There is no one there. We're not making any money from it. The money is not the issue. The issue is the fact that people are being inconvenienced in their own houses. So what happened last Thursday is my brother went with a lawyer and they finally agreed on something. Everyone should stay in their space, meaning us, we stay in our space and Chirimira stays in his space. But this weekend, my brother went to access the space and he was not let in. He went in with 2 security guards. He went in through the main gate. They didn't let them in. So they told him to use the back gate. He went and used the back gate. They found a padlock on it. He broke the padlock, so he went to buy another padlock to put it there. The moment he left to buy the padlock, guess what happened? They put these 2 security guards in a room, beat them up. Okay, I'm even skipping. Before they beat them up, they went to check on our property. They had stolen everything, vandalized the property and all that stuff. You cannot tell me this is not mafia business, because the moment my brother left after taking all the pictures of this, I'm going to show proof wherever I can. My brother went to buy a padlock because they broke the one that was on the other gate. And guess what? These 2 security guards were put in a room and brutally beaten for about 2 hours, and they took them to the police. When they took them to the police, guess what? My brother found out that he's been instructed to be arrested because he broke the rules. Yet they went there with a lawyer and they finally agreed on something, but they want to arrest my brother for breaking a padlock that's in his space. My thing is, why don't they go for Haruna? Because they know where Haruna is. I don't even want to call him my brother. I keep saying the prodigal son because he was a prodigal son. You know those people that, oh my gosh, they're the smartest, Haruna this, Haruna that, but he's the one who messed up. He's messed up big time, and it has put a divide in our family, so much so that it's kind of hard to trust some of my siblings. I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm not one to beat around the bush. I'm sorry. And these people are so smart to put the inconvenience on the weekend, because on the weekend the police doesn't work, and even if you go to the police, they've been paid. Even if you go to the courts, they've been paid. Things are taking so much longer, and because of this, I'm like, I might as well bring it to the internet. Like, what the hell? What do I have to lose? People are stealing from us in broad daylight. I'm pretty sure Balam knows where my brother is. I'm pretty sure these guys can go for my brother, but why are they coming for my father's things? Why? I don't know. There's a lot to unpack here, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below of where you're watching this video from. And it's crazy, like maybe 2 years ago after my dad had died, there was one blogger, Lumbuye, who said that Chirimura is going to come and take my dad's things. We thought it was a joke. Do you know how painful it is for someone that, I remember vividly smiling with him at parties, all these things. Even his son is my friend, which hurts my feelings to even talk about this. Also, if I'm not mistaken, this has been a recurring thing with the Kwagalana group. A lot of people, when some of the shareholders died, by the way, my dad was one of the biggest shareholders in Kwagalana. I could be mistaken, but he was one of the shareholders. We did ask for our shares, we didn't get them yet, because my dad, according to his will, he said the moment he passes away, we should take out our shares, because I think he knew his friend. He knew his friend and he didn't want us to deal with him. I don't know, but I feel like he knew his friend. We still haven't gotten those shares, we are still waiting. But it's not only us. Zimwe, the same thing happened. Also Big Ways, I don't know if you remember those guys. Every time something like this happens, none of these kids have gotten their shares. I could be wrong, but from what I know, they haven't. If any of you guys are watching this, please validate me, because I could be wrong, but I know I'm not. The thing is that people keep forgetting that everyone dies. He's also going to die, and he's out here fighting for wealth. Meanwhile, he's an old guy. Life is so funny how it works, because the good people always die first. Because this guy has been scamming people all along, and I don't know if I'm going to call it scamming, but what am I scared of, brother? What has happened? Apparently, he's a governor of some country, and if I speak this and this is going to happen, and he threatens people in the I don't give two shits, bro. The only thing I care about is clearing my father's name and my legacy. Also getting my money. How can I be out here suffering when he's stealing from me? Because he's not only stealing from my dad. My dad is not around anymore. Now we are shareholders. I cannot help my siblings on ground, but what I can help with is my big mouth. I'm fluent in Japanese. If you want any information, I'll gladly give it to you, because now they've stepped on our necks way too much. The country is generally corrupt. You cannot trust the courts. You cannot trust the police. So I've put it out here so that we can start giving the real information. We've been so quiet and good enough. The one thing my dad taught us was integrity. But sometimes this integrity does not take you anywhere. Someone has to speak out. Unfortunately, or fortunately, it's me. Anyway, like I said, there's a lot to unpack. This is where we are starting from. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them, because I'm going to answer everything with details, with proof and all that, because what's the worst that could happen? We've been embarrassed in the news over and over again, so we might as well tell our truth to the public and just, let it play out that way, because enough is enough.
Abalungi abatuuliriza era abatulaba olunaku olwaleero tuchaddeko ewa Sheikh Asiraf Dembe.
Sebo sanyusa okubalaba. Amannya agange Seeka Asiraf Dembe akola ku bizibu by'enjawulo. Omuntu singa aba alina ebirwadde musomereddwa, tumuwa amazzi ga lukuya nga bw'obadde ogalaba, tugenda abantu ku kyoto ne twokya emizimu emibi egibabaamu n'okulomba edduwa. Abantu singa abeera ng'ali wano atuuse, sobola okumulombera edduwa, ne waba atatuuse nga mpadde amannya ge naye ng'ali wala. Neetaase enamba yange yeeno eri 0707363711. Nammwe bannyinaffe abali ebweru, oyagala okuba nti oyagala okulombera ku dduwa, ng'olina ebizibu, viza zibuze, amaka gakolongotana, sente zikola zimpita mu ngalo, ojja kumpeereza ekifaananyi kyo n'amannya go, ebyo byokka bijja kummala, nja kukulombera edduwa, ojja kutereera. Olunaku olusembayo mu mwezi mba n'edduwa ey'awamu ffenna n'abalwadde bange abakadde n'abapya. Salaamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.